Hello, fáilte go Deir Academy. Is as an fáin me, hanig men seoch leathanaigh a thoinn, don teanga, cultúr agus an Atlantach.
Well, most of my best dives have been in the Atlantic. It's amazing to watch other people dive for the first time. So just the rocky landscapes, the large spider crabs crawling along the bottom, the soft corals and the large towering kelps. Yeah, it's quite different the way the animals will interact with you when they see you as being a bit more of a part of their own world.
Tagan tomadorian seoch as ga ciarn, den down agus during shed gen seoch son Atlantaigh an edge as fearr reef. I think one of the best things in scuba diving is even if we can be in different languages, different countries, different cultures, it actually doesn't matter when we're underwater because we can just talk and communicate with our hands. So we're pretty much the same. An rud is just faoi, níl bochan teanga faoin uisce. I think most people, they don't understand actually what is under the water. A draíocht nach fecinn tú éin uisce.